Hello guys, how are you everyone? I hope you guys are good, great. You guys are good? Please say yes or no so that we can start. That would I hope that you guys are good. So first of all guys, welcome you all, and today is basically I would say arithmetic section. So we are going to start arithmetic section today. Means we will solve arithmetic level problems. Means quant. Basically we will be solving quant. A lot of chapter would be there. Not I'm talking about only single chapter. A lot of chapter would be there. Like firstly I want to go with a problem on ages. Okay, and then etc. Firstly we'll go problem on ages, time and work. Okay, and ratios. So if you guys are there, and this is purely based on like clerk level. So if you guys are preparing for the clerk examination, I would say this is purely based on this, right? I hope a lot of people will join. Now, before starting the class, if you want to download the PDF, you guys want to download the PDF now? You guys can download the PDF from the app. If I'm audible, please say. So this is the Oliveboard app, everyone. You can download the PDF from the Oliveboard app, and app you can download from the Play Store or App Store. Go to the course section, then PDF, you will get the class PDF. Fine. Okay. Let us start discussing the problems on, I would say, problems on, ages. First, everybody. If you guys are there, please. Guys, come on. Should I comment? Are you there, anyone? Please solve this problem. No one is live. That's very bad. Okay. The ratio of present age of A and B is 4:5. Present age of A naught is to B naught is basically 4:5, right? And ratio of age of 5 years ago and 5 year hence. So 4x 5 year ago means -5, and 5 year hence means 5x plus 5 is equal to 1/2. Is it the equation will be made in such a manner? Yes, sir. Makes sense. So this would be 8x minus 10 would be equal to 5x plus 5. So basically, guys, from here you can say 3x would be 15 and x would be 5. If x is 5, find the age of a. X is 5, a is basically 4 into 5, which is basically 20. 4 year hence plus 4. Hi. 4 year hence plus 4 means 24 is the answer to this question. I think everyone got this. Is it right? Come on, say. Yup. Let's solve this one. Very good. Slowly, everybody. That's right, you're very good. All the questions which I've taken are from previous year, guys. Are from previous year, everyone. No, this is not 24. Nah. This is not 24. This is 176. Okay, some of you have answered this 176. Let me check. So guys, the ratio percentage of A and B. A and B is 4:5. A and C is but we need to make 4 common here. See, in both the cases A is not common. So what can we do? We can do one thing. If I multiply this by 2 and if I multiply this by 5, right? 5 4s are 20. This will become 20 is to 5 5s are 25 is to 22. This is basically A is to B is to C, right? Everyone, is this clear? Now what they are saying, the difference between the ages of A and C, according to me, the difference is 22 minus 20. 22 minus 20 is basically 2. But in the question, it's given what? 4. If 2 is equal to 4, 1 is equal to 2. If 1 is equal to 2, then this 20 would be equal to 40. And this 25 would be equal to 50. And this 22 equal to 44. Am I right? Yes. Find the sum of ages of A, B, C, which is 40, 40, 80, 84, 50, 85 to 50 means 134, 134 plus 14, 14, 14, 42. 134 plus 42 is 176. So my correct answer is 134 plus 42, no? Yes, 42, which is 176 is the answer. Is it making sense for everyone? Correct, na? Guys, this was the logic here, and you can see this is the kind of question asked in IBPS clerk. So let me write down same question, IBPS clerk 2025. Recent question. Very recent question. So please note down, this kind of question only will be there in the exam. That's my guarantee. Okay. Now try. This is a question of SBI Clerk. SBI Clerk. I want the filter student in my class, you know. From past 3 hours, I'm taking the class, which I think is not good for me. Guys, tomorrow, how many of you are having a holiday? Because I know that some of you will be busy in Raksha Bandhan. So in South, guys, I basically don't know, but in South also you used to do Raksha Bandhan? Definitely, no? And happy Onam to all of you. Belated. Today is not a Onam. How many of you celebrate Onam? Can? No one replying. Very bad. Happy Onam. I should also wear that costume, and that's costume of Onam. Oh, that's great. Happy Onam. Average age of Romil and Tanvi is 32 years. Sum would be how much? 64. R plus T, sum would be 64. I think this is clear. 6 year hence, ratio of age of Nitya Romil. Hence, present age of Nitya, present age of Romil is what? 6x minus of 6, 7x minus of 6. Tanvi is 2 years younger than Nitya. So Tanvi is 2 years younger than Nitya. So if Nitya age is, Tanvi present age would be 6x minus 8. Younger means, I hope you're getting the point, right? Fine, na? 6 year hence was given. So this was given like, let me write down, n plus 6 and r plus 6 was given. Okay, so let's find. This is not an issue, guys. No, sir, this is not the issue, right? Now, 13x r plus t is given to us, na? 13x minus of 14. 13x minus of 14 is basically 64, right? Makes sense? 13x is equal to 78. Makes sense? X is equal to how much, guys? 6. If x is 6, find the difference between the present age of Romil. 7 6 are 42 minus 6 is how much? 36. Romil and Tanvi. 6 6 are 36 minus 8 is how much? 28. So 28 plus 2 is 30 and 6, 8 is the answer. Right? Yes, why not? You can master. Is this clear to everyone? Answer is 8, not 4. Answer is 8, not 4. Atharv, you can master anything. Watch my sessions regularly. Watch my paid classes regularly. You can master anything. Not a big deal, yaar. You're into the my class, pledge. Soon I will be coming to the Kerala, just to meet all of you guys. This is basically RRB clerk. RRB clerk. Give a try. I'm not saying that you should solve. Give a try. At least give a try. I will be solving now. Now the ratio of age of John 3 years before 3 years to the age of Jenny after 2 years is 3:5. Guys, it's very sad news for all of us that in Nepal I have seen some of very bad news came from Nepal. Flood was there. Okay, let's see the ratio of the age of John before 3 years. So John -3 and Jenny after 2 years. Name is right, Jenny +2. Okay, so guys, first of all, now everything is we are working here with the present, right? Present would be the ratio is given 3x +3 and divided by 5x -2. If the ratio of the age of John and Jenny after 12 years means you will add 12 to both the cases, +12 here and +12 here. What quotient said, just write down. Is 6:7. Can you guys just solve this equation for me? Just solve this equation for me, everyone. Just solve this equation for me. Correct? And you'll get the answer. It is guarantee. 7 3s are 21. X plus 105. Nobody is answering. No, what is the value of X? Can I get the value of X? 21x plus 105 is equal to 10. 6 5s are 30x minus 60. Is it correct? I hope so. Plus 30. Sorry. 9x equals to 45. 9x equals to 45. 9x equals to 45. X is equal to 5. Right? If X is 5, find the present age. 5 3s are 15 plus 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. Because I'll not add 12. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, which is 18, is the answer. Clear now? I think everything is clear in the board. I've written like neat and clean. See, now I'm writing neat and clean so every one of you can understand. I'm writing here everything like neat and clean. Just say yes or no. Then only I will start the class. You understood? Oh, that's great, guys. Come on. That's nice. That's nice. Guys, can I ask you one question? Apart from this, can I ask you one question? Will you answer me that? Can I ask you one question? Ankit, can I ask you one question? Will you answer me? Yur, Ankit, Shraddha, everyone, those who are watching. It's a very like a poor joke, like a PJ, you know. You know the meaning of PJ? PJ is basically poor joke. Yeah. Which is the fastest leaf in the world? Fastest leaf in the world. Fastest leaf in the world. Come on, guys. You are English aspirants and you cannot answer. It's called Quickleaf. Answer. It's Quickleaf. How many of you know about the Quickleaf? Anybody knows about the Quickleaf? You know about the Quickleaf? At least type in the comment section that we know and we don't know. You know? No. In Hindi we call it as a tej patta. My Hindi is quite bad, so I'm just writing, just praying out. I've written tej patta. Okay, you guys don't know? Yeah, in Hindi we call it as a tej patta. This was, again I said this is a poor joke, so don't laugh, please. We call it in Hindi as a tej patta. So now, Ankit, you understand the meaning of tej patta? That's called fastest leaf in the world. Okay, back to the question now. It was a like kind of question which was roaming in my mind, so I just asked. Yeah, please answer. I know that you guys were frustrated like, oh, please shut your mouth. Yeah, I know that you guys will be quite frustrated saying that. Okay, please shut your mouth. Don't talk like this. Let us solve the question now. Okay, please solve. Ratio present age of Sumit and Manoj. Manoj. Yeah, that's like, why me? Why fastest? Because it's a tej patta. You know, tej means fast. It's a tej patta, you know. $35. We got answer like 35. Everybody is wrong. 35. B. Okay, let me check. So ratio present age of Sumit and Manoj. So let's talk about Manoj. Manoj is, it's a North Indian name. Manoj and Sumit present age is basically 6 and 5. You guys know Manoj is a south, like North name, but it is given in the ratio. So I would take like 6x and 5x. That would be making sense. Vinita is 11 years older than Sumit. Vinita is 11 years older than Sumit. Vinita is 11 years older than Sumit and 5 years younger than twice the present age of Manoj. Oh, that is very critical point, guys. Vinita is 11 years younger, older than Sumit. Sumit is 5x older, 11 and 5 years younger, twice the present age of Manoj, which is 12x. Right? So basically Vinita would be 6x minus 5. Makes sense? All is talking about Vinita, which is 6x minus 5 is equal to twice. I'm just simplifying for you. Twice into 5x minus of 13. Is it right? I hope I've written correct. Come on, say. I have written correct, yes or no? So 6x minus 5 is equal to 10x minus 13. Can we get the value of x from here? Okay, thank you. Some of them saying I have never. Okay, thank you so much. There would be some stupid teacher now also in the class. X value is 2 or 3? X value is 2 or 3? You guys are getting 2 or 3? 2, na? 4x is equal to 8. No, 4x equals to 8, na? Okay. Yeah, please, I will. Okay, x value is 3. How come but? 6x minus of 10x equals to minus of 13 plus of 5. Minus of 4x equals to minus of 8. X equals to 2. X is basically 2. Yeah, I'll try. If x value is 2, they are asking find the present age of Vinita. Present age of Vinita would be how much? 35? Yeah. What is the present age of Vinita then? 35. Come on, we did. Can you answer that? If you find out the value of x, now I think you can answer the question. Ratio is not good. Everything is fine in the question. Something is wrong. Ankit, something is wrong or it's fine? Oh. Let's do it like you are saying this one. Now let's do it right Manoj and Sumit. Will it make any difference? Let's change the question. Manoj and Sumit. Seven. Now, is it fine now? If you got the value of x, then is it fine now? But I think we are not getting the answers as of now. Something I think good. If the value of x is 2, then everything is fine in this question. Something wrong? Or it's good? Anyone, can you just figure it out, guys? What is wrong we did? Girish, can you figure it out what wrong we did? Girish. Ambly. I think everything is fine. Okay, fine. Okay. If you have taken the ratio from like Sumit to Manoj, then you are getting value of x is 4, right? Value of x is 4, then you got your answer like 35 now. Okay, let it be, not an issue. Let's go for next one. I think something. Okay, not an issue. I have solved with this different ratio, so I need to check while solving. Okay, have I done something wrong? There's a problem. There's a E 34. Okay. How come 34? Okay, fine. If everyone will get the 34, I'll not solve this question. We did same question, everyone, so I think you guys can do it. Do practice with the timer. What's your name? I would say Pratham, I think do practice with the timer. That would help you. Hemantha. So it's a very privileged, guys. Haters are also in the class, you know. You like haters, everyone? You like haters? Haters are also in the class. I'm a normal teacher. Why are you comparing me with the big teachers? I'm a normal teacher, guys. Okay, you don't like hater, but haters are a big learner, you know. Respect haters. Yeah, that's why. You've seen in the comment section, Ambly, there was hater in the class. I hope you have seen them. The present age of A and B. A present age is 2, B present age is 7:9. 6 years ago means 6 years ago. So A minus 6 is to B minus 6. The ratio of ages were 11:15, right? And I think this would be very easy. And have you noticed my concept? What was the difference concept, guys? Girish, here the difference is of 4. Here the difference is of 2. Just multiply this by 2. It will become how much? 7 2 ja 14, 9 2 ja 18. This is 11 is to 15, right? Say, so 14 becomes 11. The gap is of 3. 3 becomes 6. 1 will become 2. Find the age of A 6 years hence. Age of A is basically how much? Right? How much? 28. 28, right? 28 plus of 6, 34. This is the age which I'll get. Clear now? This was easy. And it was RRB clerk question. Thank you everyone. So today we are only solving like ages problem. We are solving something else. But we'll solve DI. B. That's a great B. Babu is 4:5. The ratio percentage of Banu is 2:2. They're different now, Babu and Banu. Babu and Babu. Oh, you're answering like very fastly. Why is it so? $45, okay. First I got Meher had answered me 45. We'll see. We'll solve DI, Ankit. Just wait, let me make them understand. We have BA and Babu. So I'll write BU or BB, okay. So BA and BB. The ratio is basically 4:5. Then the ratio of present age of Babu, which is BA, is to Banu, BN I would say, is basically 2:3. So guys, BA, I need to take BA as in, so what should I do? Can I multiply this by 2 and by 5? This will make sense. Correct, na? Come on. So if you multiply, okay, that's a lot of people are answering. So if you multiply, you can get what? Come on. BA is to BB is to BN ratio, right? So basically 8 is to 10 is to how much? 8 is to 10 is to 15. 15, right? Now, the difference between the present age of Balu and Banu is 35. Balu and Banu. The difference is of 7, ra. 7 is 35. 1 is 5. If 1 is 5, find the age of Banu 5 years ago. Banu, 5 years ago. 40. 5 years ago would be 45. Correct? Very good. 45. Come on, try. Oh, that's nice. Same question based on that. Can I make an equation then you can solve? Present age of Ram and Sham is 2:3. That is 2x by 3x. Right now, this would be the present age. Now, 8 years, after 8 years, so plus 8, the ratio becomes 5/7. Just solve. What is the value of x from here? Can you answer? The value of x I'm asking, guys. What is the value of x? X, value of x. 16. Because then only you would say, now if x value is 16, then only you are saying that 2x would be 32. Yes. 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 I think we have done all the clerk level problem of ages. We are not going to solve this question. This question was asked in RRB clerk. RRB clerk. Same kind of question we done in 2024. Answer me, guys. 3 year hence to Nidhi 5 year ago is 5:2. And sum of their present age is 44. Answer you are asking? Yeah, 10. Anyone is getting 10? Let me give you the trick for this. I have one trick. And such kind of question is given now, that ratio is 5:2. Okay. And one is 5 year hence means plus 5 and minus 3. Plus, sorry. Three year hence. So plus 5 and minus 3. Okay. So just see the and sum of their ages. Sum of their ages is basically 7. Correct? The deficit, the surplus they are creating is basically how much? Of plus 2, which is equals to 44. Sum of their ages is 7 is equal to 42. If 7 is 42, 1 is 6. If 1 is 6, you can figure it out anything. If 1 is 6, you can figure it out anything. What they're asking? Then find the difference between the present age. You can do anything, right? That's up to you. Everyone is getting this? Now this is 30 and this is 12. This will become 27 and this will become how much? 17. So difference is of 10. This was answer. So if in case anybody doesn't know this, you can know this one. Have you got the trick? According to me, the sum of sum in the ratio was what? 7. But it was creating an impact. -3 and +4, +5 create an impact of +2. This create an impact of +2. So 7 + 2, this is the impact. So I need to figure it out the value of 7. So this will be 42. 7 is 42, 1 is 6. This becomes 30, this becomes 12. This is +5 becomes 17. This is -3 become 27. The difference is of basically 10. So one of the ways of doing this question. Now last question, guys. You can just see and answer me. This is also PYQ, by the way. Guys, do like the session, everyone. You're not liking the session. That's very bad. Why you guys are not liking? $72, that's a great part. Come on, everyone. 3 years ago. No, wrong answer, guys. You're doing something wrong. You guys are doing something wrong. That's guarantee, everyone. Please check your answer. This is the last question, by the way. I'm just saying that check your answer because it's already I'm taking class from. But we are solving like everything here, okay? So guys, I think all the important questions on problem on ages we did. All the PYQs of different exam. Present age of Kiran. So Kiran was also there in one of the movie, no? Present age of Kiran is basically 50. 5 year hence. The ratio of age of Kiran. 5 year hence Kiran age will be how much? Present known, so K plus 5 the Kiran would be 20 na. And age of Suman. Suman is S plus 5. Is basically how much? 15. Makes sense, yes or no? Say yes or no. So no, not. I have done something wrong. So guys, see, 20 upon S plus 5 is equal to 4 by 15. Is this right? I think ratio would be written in such a manner. Say yes or no. Four fives are. So S plus 5 is equal to 75. Makes sense. S plus 5 is 75. S naught would be 70. 3 years ago. 3 minus 3 would be 67. Answer. How are you? Hi, Aman sir. Oh, you know me? A.M. Chaudhary, you know me? Is it 67 coming? Oh, that's not nice if you know me. Yeah? It's really great. A sports drama, it's a basically English channel. If you don't understand, you can shut down your comment section and go to some other channel now. Why you are here? Why you are suggesting me to shut down the channel? Why you are giving you're wasting your data in writing down these things if you're not understanding anything, bro? How you'll become a banker if you'll react like this? Don't waste the data, guys. It's a, Okay, how you know me? Okay, guys, so this was means all the questions we have taken from, so all the questions of past paper, I would say, questions of past paper. We have taken from like PYQs, you can say, but today we have completed only ages, right? Today we have completed only ages. We are not going to solve any other question. Tomorrow I am not taking any classes, but from the next week, guys, I am going only for the mains. Okay. My next week plan is basically only for the mains. Only for mains. If you want anything else, you can just comment in the comment section. Okay, OB app. So last year I was, it's okay, bro. Don't be sorry, bro. It's okay. So if you want any other topic, guys, you can just comment in the comment section so that I can come up with that. Like if you want some arithmetic topic, you can just comment ki sir, we want this topic, yeah, let's say A, B and C, like that. Then you can comment, I'll come up with that. Or else if you don't do anything, I'll come up with the mains level DI. Mains level DI. And always remember, my classes will be always at 10 PM night. Okay. Okay, fine. So, okay, bro, you want DI? I'll come up with the DI, bro. You're also my friend, bro. Okay, I'll come up with DI. But again, you'll have a problem that I speak in English and you don't understand that. It's okay, bro. I hope everyone have enjoyed the class, right? And we got some bros in the house also. Do subscribe to the channel, bro. I hope I'll make your English good. That's nice. Yeah? Somebody calling me bro, Isn't I'm not looking too old for that. Isn't it? Yeah, that's great. Now I'm not looking too old. Okay. So guys, you can call me bro. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everybody can call me bro. It's like I'm not looking too old. Then it's fine. Why not? Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Yeah, bro. Bye, bro. Now, this sign. I've learned this sign. You know this sign? Oh, you are so handsome, bro. Oh, thank you, bro. Now, see, guys, he's saying I'm so handsome. Oh. You can see the comment, guys. He's saying, you a boy or you a girl? Bye, bro. Bye, man. Thank you. You are so handsome, bro. You made my day, bro. You are too so cute that you answered me. Bye. Take care. Good night.